Root cause analysis. Why are we meeting? This is a potential opening story for when I present. Root cause analysis. Why are we meeting? Recently, I came back from a trip. I was at the airport. I was retrieving my car, looking forward to it because I'm in control again. I love it when I'm in my car. And what do you think? The darn thing wouldn't start. The engine wouldn't turn over. Now, AAA said it was the battery. They took a look at it, they tested it, and they said, you need a new battery. So they sold me a new battery. But it didn't seem right to me because the car only had 25,000 miles on it. So that was Sunday. Monday, first thing, I'm the first in line at the dealer the next morning. So they bring me in and I speak to the service writer and they check it out and they say, well, you know, the battery's fine now. You must have left the light on. Or you must have left a door open. He said, the service writer said I was at fault, but it didn't seem reasonable to me. So I pursued it. I pushed. I took a bit of a do-or-die approach. I got through to the service manager, and he said there was a problem with the ECM that was draining the battery, the electronic control module. I said, so what do we do? He says it takes 20 minutes to reprogram it, and they reprogrammed it. And I said, well, what about the battery I bought? It's not my fault. He says, call Subaru. They're going to send you a reimbursement check. And they did. But if I focused on the battery only, I would have just kept on replacing batteries because the electronic control module, that was the root cause problem. Now, why do I tell this story? How is it relevant to us? When a buyer doesn't bid after a management meeting, why does this happen? The buyers are there to buy the business. So from studying hundreds of business sales we've done over the last 25 years and thousands of management meetings, we've discovered that management meetings make a huge difference. We recently had a very powerful management meeting at York. It led to lots of bids and LOIs that were above the initial bid and way exceeded the selling owner's expectations. But then we've also been at meetings where the presentation was so poor that it sucked air out of the room. Well, we want powerful presentations leading to powerful LOIs above the bid price. And that's why we're here. Because we don't think it's a matter of a bad battery. It's a matter of, is it a fantastic presentation or a weak presentation? And we want them all to be fantastic.